Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Do you want your kids to learn and play all day and not just get bored and watch TV? Then follow this video and your kids will learn how to make this amazing paper boat. So let's get started. First, we're gonna fold the paper like this. Make it horizontal and then fold it like this. Then we're gonna fold it one more time like this. Then we're gonna open it back up. And then we're gonna fold it just like how we make paper airplanes. Do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're gonna bring one flap up, not both of them. Don't accidentally do both of them. Do one flap. Next, we do the same thing on the other side. So now, we're gonna do like this. You see this opening? We're gonna pull these out like this. Again, pull it out like this. And now, we're gonna make all of these like not overlap each other, but like make sure they both go on top of each other. Same thing on the other side. Next, we're gonna bring this flap up. Now we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Now we're gonna open this up, take it, bring it here, and then the finishing move. 3, 2, 1. Here's the boat. There might be something wrong with it, so like you could fix it like by doing this, and then do that. And fold it on each side. And now, guess what? The boat is done. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys had fun. Bye.